What is up, guys? Welcome back to Borch Crypto. Welcome back to a brand new video where I'm going to be sharing with you a very important information that I think you guys want to know if you trade crypto futures. Now, this is a limited time opportunity, so make sure you stick until the end of the video because you are not going to regret it. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's get straight into it. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my strategy to make back the most you can while trading crypto futures. Now, as you can see right here in this spreadsheet, you can see different exchanges, the maker and taker fees generated, and your cut right here. So first of all, I want to go over the exchanges I've listed, and just keep in mind these are not all the exchanges out there offering crypto futures. Keep in mind these are settled in USDT. So here you can see different exchanges like Binance, OKEx, BYBIT, BitGet, so different options, and then the maker and taker fees. And as you can see, guys, from the whole list here, MEXC has by far the best fees out there. And you can even get lower fees, as we are going to be seeing in a few moments. So as you can see, maker is actually 0% and taker is 0.02%, which is really low. But this is not the only advantage. I mean, the comparison of the fees is already a reason to move to MEXC to trade crypto futures. But I'm also going to be showing you guys how you can get 20% back from the fees you generate in a few moments. So let's say you generate $1,000 in fees, you would be getting back $200 from those $1,000 that in other cases you wouldn't be getting back. I mean, you would get 0% back from this $1,000 in fees generated. This is the first link in the description below. As you can see, there's 20 days left for this promotion, and this is obviously MEXC.com, the official centralized exchange. So as you can see, there is a special event going on with my referral code. So if you use my referral code, you will be entering a progressive deposit bonus program and much more interesting perks that you'll get by registering using my link. You can go here and check the progression and different rewards that you'll be getting, but this is just kind of the secondary advantage of the whole point of this video. So as you can see right here in the landing page, apart from the 20% rebate that you are going to be getting from your fees, which is amazing, as I just mentioned, like $100 of fee generated, you're going to be getting $20. I mean, it's just free money that you are not getting right now if you're not using my link and if you're not trading in MEXC and registering with my link in the description below. Obviously, I'm going to be getting a cut from your referrals. This is a way of getting some of that money back to you guys. So as you can see, there is a progressive deposit bonus program, and you can see that there is different tiers. So if you deposit more than 500 USDT, you will be getting a $10 USDT future bonus. If you do spot trading volume, so from 3,000 to 30,000, there's different rewards. And then obviously for futures trading volume, it is really simple to get a high volume with futures trading. So you can see that if you do more than $10,000 in futures trading, you're gonna get $10, and if you do more than 100,000, $30. I mean, it's literally free money. I mean, if you're trading futures already, you know that this is really interesting. I mean, these are just one-time bonuses, but apart from this, the big thing is obviously the 20% you're gonna be getting back. Then you can see there's event 2, so $20,000 net deposit on futures trading, and here you can see different tiers. So from deposit 1K, 30 USDT bonus, 3K, 50 USDT bonus, 5K, and up to 500K, which is pretty insane. But who knows, maybe some of you guys deposit this amount, but it is regardless a really nice way to make some extra money. And yeah, I mean, here are some links that you can use and the terms and conditions. I just want to share this with you guys because I know there's so many people trading futures that do not know about these sort of opportunities out there. So I mean, this is just a way of bringing you guys some value and just giving back to the community a little bit. And as you can see here, guys, in the official website, this is not my landing. You can see that the lowest fees maker 0% and taker, you can even get to 0.01% for taker, which is insane in comparison with other options. Here you can see the amount that you need to hold to enjoy the 0.01% for taker, which is 1000 MX, which is their native token. And here you can see a comparison. So top one is obviously MEXC. As you can see, market leading tradable volume at Bitcoin, USDT, and futures, mid price. So obviously the first one's MEXC, then BitGet. I think this is BitGet. Then you can see here, maybe this is OKEx, who knows. Anyways, you can see that you can get different privileges by holding their token. And that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, it's just that, I mean, there's an event going on with Aptos. So if you're into Aptos, I'm going to be linking a video that you can check out in the description or up here somewhere as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Comment below something if you found it useful. And I will see you guys in the next one.